Hi, everybody. I'm Charlie, and this is my Spanish journey. For those who don't know me, I'm a dyslexic, and I've been learning Spanish for almost 3 years now. For a little over 3 years, probably. I started in September of 2019, and we just hit October of 2022. So yeah, we are over 3 years. Um, for the most part, since December of 2019, I've been using Duolingo, and I had a huge streak, but I did lose my streak when we moved earlier this year, and then just kind of was mad at the app and didn't want to hold a streak anymore. But I'm just starting to do it again, but just because you miss days doesn't mean you have to break your streak. And so in today's video, I have Duolingo up on my phone, and I missed yesterday, and I stopped. My rule now is I'm just not spending any of these gems on anything. I'm not letting any of that control me. But I did learn something about Duolingo. You don't have to pay 200 gems to refill a streak freeze ability. And so I'm going to hit no thanks there and just show you how to get by that. If you do your entire daily goal, of course I'll do it today and it won't give it to me, but typically I've noticed that every time I lose a streak, if I do the entire daily goal, it gives me a free streak freeze without having to pay the 200 gems. So let's do that right now and see if it comes up. Maybe I'll skip through this so you don't have to watch a full Duolingo session. We'll see how long it takes me. It's 9:06 right now, and let's just see. I'll do a normal lesson first, just because I like doing those. My October challenge is underway. All right, cool. So right off the bat, we're gonna get double points.
Te perdiste porque no conoces la ciudad.
Te perdiste porque no conoces la ciudad.
Ese lago no es muy ancho.
This lake is not very wide. This lake is not very wide. Or this lake isn't very wide, either way. That. Not this. Ese, not este. That's some of the problems. I just so close, but this isn't horseshoes. Ese largo no es muy ancho. That lake is not very wide. Many streets here are not wide. I don't know if calles are masculine or feminine. Muchos calles aquí no son muy anchos. Muchas calles aquí no son muy anchos. Okay, it said muchas. I said muchos, but a lot of times when I use voice to text, if it's something like that, it'll just do it correctly. Because it's so close, it's just like an autocorrect, but it just does that. And that's how I get by a lot of times writing out. As long as I say it quick enough, it won't write those kinds of things wrong unless you really speak it slowly. Let's see if that was correct. Muchas calles aquí no son muy anchas porque. Okay, so I did anchos is also something that needs to change masculine and feminine. I would not have thought that. Show the tip. Calles is feminine and the plural, so it goes with anchas. Calles anchas. The best champagnes are sold in Paris. Los champanes. Las champanes. I don't know if it's masculine or feminine. Los mejores champanes se venden en París. Los mejores champanes se venden en París. That's what I said. Los mejores champán. Oh, I just said the best champagne. That is not champagne, es champanes. That's a pronunciation problem. Okay, so 22 points for that. That did my streak. High five, Jack. Okay, now I get a double point boost for the next 30 minutes. And I think once I finish doing this, complete 4 legendary challenges. That's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to do 4 of these. Come up here and do these purple ones. Kind of wanted to do that anyway. And shoot, doing it while I have double points means that I'm going to get all kinds of points. All right. Let's say. Siempre. Cierro. Siempre cerró. Siempre cerró las puertas. Cerró. Siempre cerró las puertas de mi casa. I always close. Cierro. 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 Siempre cierro las puertas de mi casa. Cerrado? Did I really say cerrado? In summer, we put on jackets. In verano, no ponemos las chaquetas. En el verano. En verano no nos ponemos las chaquetas. Reflexives. I suck at that. I'm gonna not make it to 80 points. That really sucks. En verano no nos ponemos las chaquetas. En verano no nos ponemos las chaquetas. En verano no nos ponemos las chaquetas. Boom. Awesome. So you don't even have to finish the entire daily goal. You just have to, well, no. It typically will give it to you free sometime during the process though. So that's how you get a free streak freeze without having to use your gems for it. Not that the gems are important. I don't really know what you do with that. But there you go. I just wanted to share that process. I'm going to go ahead and keep on going, but no need to keep watching the video. It's just going to give me more gems and points once I finish the rest of it. And that's all I'm doing anyway. So thanks for watching. Good luck on your Spanish journey. If you're doing good Duolingo, Don't let the street control you. But it is kind of nice having that track record. All right, yeah. So I did go ahead and finish it. I spent I think maybe like 40 minutes doing all of that. Maybe it was 30 minutes. I have to double check. I don't know if I started at 9:13 or 9:03. And once I'm done, like I said, all it does is just give you some gems, and that's the entire goal for today. So, okay. Good luck on your Spanish journey.